a nice carrying case. Check out this carrying case. And this, let's just open this thing up. And let me show you all the stuff you get in here first. So I've already used this, by the way. I put it back in here for the purpose of this video. You get a USB-C cable right here. That's it. And which I have 10,000 of those. You get the unit itself, and you get this nice little lanyard. I went ahead and added the lanyard to mine. It just basically hooks right there. And it's actually has this leather type feel. Very impressive. This is a very premium looking unit. There's the unit itself. Then you're going to get a air inflator valve right here, and I will put this to the test. Then you get the jumper cable set right here that has, you know, the positive and negative, and they have a very powerful type squeeze to them. Let's put, yeah, that's powerful. You get a little packet of, it looks like an inflator for an inner tube, a basketball. Instructions here, and the instructions basically just kind of like go over it, but you know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over it for y'all. What you're going to do is take this. It looks like they have a rubber nozzle on there. I will show you the compressor feature of this. Screw this in like this, and in here's where the battery jumper box will go. So if you've got a dead battery or something, you could stick that in. I'll plug it up to a battery and show it and show what it does, but I don't have a dead battery and I won't be able to show that, but that's what it does right there when you do that. And then you just pull that out. In the front is a light, so there's a light right there. There's a USB-C input right there for the charging. A USB-A coming out, so if you need to charge maybe a cell phone or run a small little speaker or something like that, you got power coming out right there. And then to turn this thing on, you're just gonna hold it down. Yeah, so turn it on here. You know, it's not blinking right now, but you can see how it's kind of like 0, 0 right there. And here's what the features are. So this M is the mode. When I hit it, you can see 36 flashes. That's car tire. 31 flashes. I think that's motorcycle. 30 is bicycle. And 8. And this is in PSI. And if I want to change it from PSI to KPA, you hold that down. Hold this down for a few seconds. KGCM, and then hold it down again. Bar, but you know what, we are in the US, so I use PSI. So I've got a PSI right there, and you could also alter it. See how I can move it if I hit the plus and minus. It's at 8. I'm going to leave it at 8. Let's go ahead and put it on car tire 36, and I'm going to leave it on 36. And then to do the light, there's a light button right here. Mash that on the side, and you see what's over here. You have a light. Let's take that off. How about that? You see that flashing? Red and blue flashing on the side. Hit it again. Hold that down. You get LED light, and that is a very powerful LED light, everybody. That's very impressive. Then you get the blue and red flashing. You would put this up if you're changing a tire, inflating a tire or something like that. I'd put this out so it can be seen from a distance. And if I just want to go red only, I can hit it again. There's red only. So there's a little bit of features with the light there. Let me go ahead and let's test out the air compressor unit of this. I have my car over here, so let's move over to the car and let's do we have it set on car, and let's go ahead and set that up now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, remove my hubcap off so I can access this better. Now, I might already have it inflated up to 36, but as soon as you plug it in, let's lower it down a little bit. I'm at 30 right here on this. So the car, like I said, we can switch through them again. You can see 36 on the car, hit it. 31, 32. It's actually a pretty powerful air compressor. When you look at it, now it will shut itself off at 36 once it's already at 33.5, which is pretty fast when it's already like aired up like this. 34, a little bit more. I'm impressed, everybody, by the power that this thing puts out. I think it completes 36. There you go. 36 on that one. Now I'm going to go around and put them all at 36 because my tire pressure can be anywhere from up to 44 max PSI on my tires. So I'm going to go ahead and put 36 in all of my tires on there. So that was very impressive on that. Let me move it over to a bicycle and try it on a bicycle. This is the DYU-C2, and we'll put this on and see what we're at. We are at 17, and the tires on this one can go from 25 to 35. So let's put 30 in there. Let's go bicycle 30. And let's go ahead and inflate these bike tires up to 30 because it goes between 25 and 35. This is one of the most handiest features on here. Wow, that was super fast. There we go. So we are at 30 on that one. I'll do the front tire now. I knew these were kind of low and I wanted to inflate them up. Yeah, I like running on a bike like this. I like running the tires a little higher for more speed, and it does real fast on that. Is that not this is one of the most impressive pumps I've seen as far as power. Let's go ahead and let's plug up the battery feature, and I'm not gonna jump it, but I will show you what it does when we plug it up. Okay, everybody, I'm over here at my car, so I'm just gonna kind of like look over it, and if I need a light, check this out. I can turn on that spotlight and I can kind of look around. I don't need a light right now, but I can look around on that. And then when I plug this thing in, let's see what happens. So if I had a dead battery, I could get this out and plug this in. And as soon as you see how it went from red to green, now that green, so I can hear this clicking to let me know that I have it ready to go. It's ready to boost, but I don't need to boost. This is a fully charged battery, and actually it's kind of a new battery. Let's say we've camped and our battery's dead. We wake up, we've got a dead battery. What are we going to do? You don't have anybody to boost you off, but then if you have one of these boxes, you can just, no problem, hook it up, boost it off, and you're good to go. And if you got a flat tire, it's kind of all in one, so it eliminates a lot of the needs. It gives you a little safety kind of light too that you need there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the air compressor / jumper box / safety light. See you all in the next video.